NYSSBA News is supported by the New York School's Insurance Reciprocal. Last month's shooting rampage that killed 17 people at Parkland High School has ignited student-led activism across the country. Close to 200 student groups around the Empire State registered their intention to conduct similar school walkouts. At Niskayuna High School, almost 500 students remembered those who died. The 17-minute memorial service honored those who tragically lost their lives that day.
Rather than letting these people die for no reason at all, we are going to remember them, and we are going to make sure that this never happens again, and that this really is enough, because so many of these terrible tragedies have occurred, and we've just sort of let them be swept away with the next news cycle, and we're not going to let that happen this time. And I think this walkout is really the culmination of those thoughts.
It's amazing to see other students taking a lead on something that matters to them and has to do with our school, and I think it's just a great example of students becoming leaders in their communities and really fighting for what they believe in.
Many administrators and students believe student-led events will create an opportunity for meaningful student action without disruption to the school day.
It takes an element of courage to do something like this. It takes an element of character, an element of leadership. I mean, these are all principles and ideals that we talk about and we hope for in our students.
Throughout the ceremony, 17 balloons were released to honor each of the victims.
Meadow Pollock.
Reporting for NYSSBA News, I'm Casey Nicholson.